So guys, I'm not sure if most of you are new to my channel, but in the past I described a lot about how I had challenges with back pain. I did a back support corrector review and also an acupressure review where I spoke about ways that you can actually help improve pain relief through using different products. So I'm really excited today to be bringing to you the Olynvolt Pocket Tens machine. Now, in this video we're going to review and unbox the machine to show you how it works. But in particular, we're going to show you how you can use a Pocket Tens machine to reduce pain and reduce inflammation. See, this product really does help. Now, the challenge with TENS machines in the past is you'd have to go and see a physiotherapist and they'd have to put a TENS machine on you. The cost involved, you couldn't do it very often. But with a Pocket TENS machine, it allows you to get out there and actually get the treatment wherever you want. So you can put this into your gym bag, carry it around with you. It's very, very portable, recharges easily, and it's got different functions as well, which you can set. So you don't have to have it going too high level. You could do it depending on what you want with your body, which is very exciting. So in this review, we're going to do a review and unboxing of the TENS machine. We're going to demonstrate it. So I'm going to show you on myself, but also my sister, who's gladly volunteered to be a test subject for this. Now, the TENS machine works really, really well because it stimulates your muscles, helping pain relief and also helping muscle recovery. I also do the gym a lot, so it's going to be very interesting to see how this goes after my gym workouts and if it helps me a lot. But you're going to love this machine. Now, bearing in mind, I'm not a medical practitioner as well, so it's just my view about how the machine will work. I'm also going to do another video in future about back support, posture correctors, and also acupressure mats, which is going to add to this, so look out for that. Now, if you want to purchase the Olynvolt TENS machine, portable, use Andy25 and click the link below. It will take you through to it to be able to purchase it. Any clicks on the link really does support the channel, and also liking and subscribing the channel and video as well really does help me, guys. But yeah, we're really excited to be getting this. This is actually a game changer, I believe, for pain relief. So if you're suffering pain, get off the tablets, look at using things like this because they can really help you. Anyway, I'm going to jump in now and let me know what you think about it as well as we go through the video. Okay, so here's the box for the Olynvolt Pocket machine. As you can see, it comes in a nice design, nice and straightforward, and you can feel it's quite light as well, which is also part of the portability aspect of it. So if we open up the box, see what comes in it. So there you've got the instruction guide, where you can go through the different steps to set it up, which is quite good, very, very user-friendly, easy to use. And here's the actual Pocket Tens machine as well. So there you go. So straight away you can see how it sits very well. So there's it compared to the size of my hand. As you can see, it's quite light. It doesn't weigh too much, and there it is there. So you can pop this into your bag, use it, and there's USB-C charging as well. It comes with a USB-C charger. Now, it only takes basically 1 hour to charge as well, so it's very, very effective. And here's the pads. So these are the pads that will stick onto which will sit onto your skin, like so. And here's the back pads to them. So you get 2 of these, as you see here. And you also get 2 of the pads. So essentially the pads work quite well. I'll show you guys. So you peel off the adhesive back like that. You pop the machine on like that, the TENS, and then you apply it to your skin like so. So you might just do a quick demonstration here for you guys so you can see how it works. So I'm just going to put on my arm. Now I wouldn't normally put it on my arm, but it's good for the demonstration so you can see the different parts there. So turn it on, you hold down the on button like that. Hear a little beep, that means it's come on. Now you can change the mode, so it comes with 6 different modes of pain relief. So pain relief depends on what you want. So whether it's a massage mode or this is like a rolling massage at the moment. Now you can turn it up or down. So you've got 16 different levels, so it's at the bottom. So press that and you can turn it up. So straight away you can feel it buzzing through. So this is the buzzing one. You can feel it buzzing. Wow, even on level 3 you can really feel that working. It's quite incredible. Now it's got a 15-minute cycle turn off. You can also use it for 4.5 hours on one go, and it lasts up to 27 hours of charging case. We've got to turn that on. So again, you hold that down, turn it off, and then you just take that off and put on your skin. So it's that easy to actually set up. So if you're out in the office, that's how easy it is to pop it on and pop it off. Very, very affordable. And because it all sits in here, again, it charges while it's in the charger. So see, it's got the magnetic charging there. It sits in there. So again, great little machine. So let's go take it out now and actually try it out on me so you can see how it goes. Okay guys, as you probably know, Mr. You who loves going to the gym, and I just got back just then from a gym workout. Now very often my muscles get quite sore and achy after doing quite a big weights workout. So I'm pretty excited now to try the Olynvolt Pocket Tens machine to see if it reduces the pain, I guess, and helps with the recovery. So Let's go and test it out. So I'm going to go and pop it on my two parts of my body. I'm going to pop it on my chest and also my arm. As you can see, you can do different body parts depending on what you want. So we just take off the adhesive there, and then, like we said before, pop it on the back, like so. And then pop it there on my chest. Now what I'm going to go and do, as you can see, you can use different body parts. I'm going to go and turn it on by holding down the button. So it turns it on, and then you can change it by pressing the mode button as well. So I've just turned it on there, and then you press mode, which is the button there, to change a different mode. So I might just turn it up slightly as well, and just put on 3 to start with. So this is giving me a tap tap feeling. So tap 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 like that. You can feel it, and now the tapping's gotten faster as well, so you can feel it stimulating the chest. I don't know if you guys can see it moving there as well as it's doing it. You can really feel that working away the muscle. I'm going to put the next one on my arm as well. Now you can have different modes at different speeds on different body parts, which is a great thing about it. As you can see, this is how easy it is to set up. It's so simple. Just let you put on. So again, I'm going to put this one on. Now remember, the mode is at the bottom and the turn on is at the top. So if I put it on there, as long as you remember those buttons, you don't have to be looking at it when you're using it, because you can remember how it works. So I'm going to turn it on by pressing the button, again, the top button, and then press mode to change the modes. And so just like that, and then I'm going to turn it up. So now I've got this one going and got this one going. Now I can try different modes depending on what you want as well. So this is a fast vibrating one. I'll change it across to a different mode. So the great thing is, so there's 6 different modes on here and 16 different speeds that you can use. And as you can see on that one there, I don't know if you can see, it's working. Now I could turn it up. Now I don't like to turn it too high, because you don't want it to feel like it's just starting to contract the muscles. So it's using electrical signals into the nerve cells, into the muscles, to actually send signals to the brain. So that's how it helps cut off the pain coming through to you. It actually interferes with the signals of pain going through to your body. Now, obviously I'm not a doctor or medical expert, but that's my knowledge of it. So I can feel this one now. To find the best mode, depending on what you want. So I'll turn this one back up. So the one on my chest is kind of slowed down a bit. Again, you can sit here having this for a long period of time if you want. You can use it on your back. You can use it on your neck. It works quite well. But I'll be careful, guys. Don't go up to 16 all at once. 16 is way too high. It does give your body a bit of a, you know, you really do feel it. But as you use it, you get used to it as well. So it's really, really good and really, really powerful. And again, I could just feel that relaxation now. It's so nice. So let's go jump all across and have a look at how it worked on my sister's back, so you can see how this works as well. Okay, so here we're going to go try out the Olynvolt Tens machines on my sister. So here we are. I'm going to take it out now. So you can see we're going to use it on her back just there, because she's had some back pain in the past. So we take the pad out like so. Doesn't matter, whatever. Just have to go with it. Yeah. And we attach it to the machine like this. See, just like that, nice and easy. Then you just take the back off it like so. So it's an adhesive back. Peel that back. Now you put it on a part of the body where you want to help it. So it can be on the back, the neck. We're going to do just here. Is that good? Yeah. So just do just there. And then turn it on there by pressing the on button. So hold it down, and it comes on. So the red button just come on now. Now what we want to do is we want to change different modes. So it's got 6 different modes. So if we press that, so it turns on to that mode. And if we turn it up, we turn it by pressing the up button. Now it goes up to 16 levels. I suggest not putting up full straight away, because it can feel it. Now what's going to happen is there'll be impulses going into the body which stimulates the muscles. So, don't know, can you feel that just now?
Yes.
Yeah, so she can feel that just now. How's the intensity?
It is medium.
Medium, okay. So if we turn it up more, again, up to 16 levels.
Ooh.
And how's it feel?
Strong.
Too much? So you can actually see the body moving, see? So we'll turn that back down, because it's probably a bit too high. That is a bit too high. I can feel your actual muscle going. Let's get a second one going as well. And you can do two of the ones at once. So
that's like long.
Long one, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's change it again. What's this one?
Oh, that's like...
So that's like a one. So it's all got different types. So we'll try another one again. What's this one?
Oh, that's a variable.
And if you guys can see in there as well, it's moving.
Oh, there you go.
So you can see it actually moving. So what we do is we're going to go and turn it.
Holy dooly.
Turn it down. But you can literally just have one in different spots as well. So you can have one. If we go back, how's that feeling now?
Good.
Well, there you go. Wasn't the Olynvolt Tens pocket machine so easy to use and benefit you so much? You could see with my sister, she got pain relief straight away. She's actually purchasing one of these herself. For myself, my back pain basically went away as well when I used it. It was really good. It also helped me after the gym as well to give my muscles some, repair and relaxation time. Now, I wouldn't say that you want these to build strength. They're there more so for pain relief and stimulating the muscles for blood flow and getting working that way. But as a device to do that, it does work really well. And the great thing is, because the two pads, you can use at different parts of the body, so you don't have to worry about its not being used. And because of 15 minutes time it lasts as well, it gives your body a really good workout. Now, quick charging times. Again, you can purchase the pads as well, the reusable pads. I've had them on and off for a number of times. They still work quite well, but it does work so well for pain relief. And, whether you want to use these when you're camping, driving around, at the office, use them for the gym, give them as a family present for other people, they work really well. And I've actually given them to a couple of other friends, and they've actually loved using them as well. They've said that it actually has significantly improved their pain relief. And I had a friend that actually stopped taking pain medication too as well, because, guys, so many of us have poor posture. So many of us don't sit right, and we get these little niggly pains and cramps. And this can really, really help. So, use the Tens machine depending on how much you want to use, do it. But it does really give you pain relief through stimulating those muscles where it's most important. Again, there's links below. 𝗬𝗟𝗏 is a code. Click on the link, purchase. Anything you get from that does support me. Thank you for watching the video towards the end. Again, your support's really, really appreciated as we grow the channel. Look out for my review about the back posture corrector, and also check out the acupressure mat and other videos we do to help with your health and wellness. And let me know if you've purchased the Olynvolt Pocket Machine, if it's helped you for pain relief. Again, this is really a game changer, guys. You're getting so much in one little box, and the guys have done a fantastic job with doing this product. I'm really happy with it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us here at 𝗲𝗟𝗏𝗦.